Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a common skincare concern that a lot of us face, those pesky dark spots on our face. Whether they're from acne, sun damage, or just the natural aging process, dark spots can be frustrating. But don't worry, today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to remove dark spots on your face, using simple and effective methods backed by science. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. The first and most crucial step in any skincare routine is cleansing your face. You want to start with a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. This prepares your skin for the treatments that follow, ensuring they penetrate better. You might be wondering why cleansing is so important. Well, studies have shown that a clean skin barrier allows for better absorption of active ingredients, which is key when treating dark spots. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation is your next step. You should exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Products containing alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BHAs, are particularly effective. AHAs, like glycolic acid, help to brighten your skin and fade dark spots over time. According to a study from the American Academy of Dermatology, consistent exfoliation can significantly improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Be gentle during this step. Exfoliating too harshly can irritate your skin and make dark spots worse. Apply a vitamin C serum. Now, let's talk about one of the most potent ingredients for fading dark spots, vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to brighten your skin and inhibit the production of melanin, which is what causes dark spots. Apply a few drops of a vitamin C serum to your face every morning after cleansing and exfoliating. There was an interesting study published by the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology in 2017 that highlighted how regular use of vitamin C can reduce hyperpigmentation in as little as 3 weeks. Just make sure to store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place, as it can oxidize and lose its effectiveness if exposed to light and air. Use sunscreen daily. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Dark spots can worsen with sun exposure, even if you're indoors all day. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and apply it every morning. Reapply it every 2 hours if you're spending time outside. A 2016 study from the Skin Cancer Foundation emphasized that daily sunscreen use not only prevents new dark spots but also helps to fade existing ones by protecting the skin from further damage. Don't skip this step. Sunscreen is your best defense against dark spots. Consider retinoids. Retinoids are another powerhouse when it comes to treating dark spots. They accelerate cell turnover, which helps to fade pigmentation faster. If you're new to retinoids, start with an over-the-counter option and use it every other night to see how your skin reacts. According to dermatologists, like those from Harvard Medical School, retinoids can make a noticeable difference in the appearance of dark spots, but they can also be irritating, so it's important to follow up with a good moisturizer. Spot treat with targeted ingredients. If you're dealing with particularly stubborn spots, you can use a spot treatment. Look for products with ingredients like Niacinamide, Licorice Extract, or Aloe Vera Gel. These ingredients are known to soothe the skin and gradually lighten dark spots. For instance, a 2018 study from the International Journal of Dermatology found that niacinamide significantly reduced hyperpigmentation after 4 weeks of consistent use. Apply your spot treatment directly to the dark spots before bed for the best results. Moisturize. Finally, lock in all the goodness with a moisturizer. Choose one that's non-comedogenic and suitable for your skin type. Keeping your skin hydrated is essential, especially when you're using active ingredients like vitamin C and retinoids, which can be drying. A good moisturizer helps to maintain the skin's barrier function and can prevent irritation, which is crucial for avoiding further dark spots. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide on how to remove dark spots on your face. Remember, consistency is key with skincare. It may take a few weeks to see noticeable results, but with patience, you can achieve clearer, brighter skin. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite skincare tips or any questions you have. Let's keep the conversation going.